success of today's common rail system depends on extreme engineering precision. And the truth is, not all injectors are created equal. The risks involved with using an injector from a non-OE endorsed manufacturer far outweigh the cost savings. The harm caused by inferior injectors may not show up for months, but problems include poor performance, serious damage, and even all-out destruction of the engine. Injectors may look the same from the outside, but they don't perform the same. Here's why. Injector performance depends on ultra-precision engineering. All Bosch injectors are remanufactured and tested to OE specs. A typical pilot injection lasts a mere 150 microseconds. How fast is that? So fast that the control valve of a Bosch common rail injector can open and close more than 1,000 times in the blink of an eye. Typical clearances between mating components of common rail injectors are measured in micrometers, or microns. It takes rigorous precision to consistently manufacture injectors with tolerances of 1 to 2 micron, a Bosch standard. How small is that? 100 micron is the diameter of a single human hair, and 1 micron is the size of a red blood cell. To demonstrate why it's what you can't see that's so important, Bosch tested a number of competitors' remanufactured and rebuilt products. The results from testing were clear. More than 50% of competitors' injectors did not perform to OEM standards.
The findings were that the remanufactured injectors don't perform the same in terms of pressure and duration. And that leads to inferior engine results, inferior emissions, potential engine damage, and injectors that don't last as long. We work very closely with our engine manufacturers, i.e. our customers, in order to tailor the fuel injection components to their needs. We do a lot of simulation up front in order to get it right. We do extensive testing on the bench, then on the dyno, then on the vehicle, in order to make sure that it's a very good end product.
Here's how Bosch injectors differ from the competitors. First, all wearable parts are always replaced, never reused. Bosch components never show pitting or corrosion, ensuring superior wear and longer service life. Bosch's remanufactured injectors are exactly the same as OE injectors in design, engineering, materials, manufacturing, and quality control. Bosch remanufactured injectors include all OE updates, so they can often be superior to the OE injectors that they replace. Bosch injectors are engineered for long life, ensured emissions, better fuel economy, and all-around peak performance. When you choose Bosch, you get a company that looks at quality and defects per million parts produced, compared to the defects per 100 parts produced by some competitors. When you choose Bosch, you can be assured of fewer comebacks, repeat business, increased productivity, and profitability. Nobody wants to do the job twice. Bosch is the world's leading supplier of diesel fuel injection systems and is standard equipment on many diesel engines today. Protect your customers and your business by educating yourself about the risks involved with using an injector from a third-party, non-OE endorsed manufacturer.